Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is Bglowskincare, naturals and organic, where we talk about everything that has to do with skincare, formulation of products, and all of those good stuff that you want to know. So in today's series, it's all about equipment that you will need when you want to start formulating your product. Okay, so number one equipment that you will need if you want to be a skincare formulator is that you will need what we call digital scale. Yes, a digital scale is what you use to weigh out your recipe. Okay, you don't want to be using cups and all of those measurements, so you need a digital scale that will give you the exact quantity that you need for your formulation. Because if you have an excess recipe or an under recipe, trust me, that formulation will be bad. Seriously, if your recipe is above or is less, you will not get a formulation properly. So you need to have an accurate digital scale, which is number one. And then also you also will need what we call emotion blender. Emotion blender, I use it most times when I want to make my body cream, and of course maybe I want to do scrub, but a very smooth scrub and all of that. So you need emotion blender, is very important. Yeah, this is mine. As you can see, it's very beautiful and it's nice. I love the color that I got. I hope you'll get a nicer one than this. So there are a lot of different emotion blender that you can find in the market, so anyone you can lay your hands on, ensure that they work properly, because you need to have a good emotion blender. All right, the other equipment that you will be needing when you want to start up your skincare formulation is that you will also need what we call pH tester. A pH tester will help to test the pH level of your product, if your product is more acidic or not, if it's okay for the skin and all of that. So you need a pH tester to help you test your product, so that you will not have an acidic product, so your client or the person you want to use, or even your skin will not damage when you will not damage. So you need a pH tester to test the pH level of your product, of your formulation. All right, so another equipment that is absolutely very important that you have to buy for your formulation is what we call hand mixer. Hand mixer is very important. You will use it for your scrubs, you will use it for your cream, you will use it for a whole lot of formulation when you start formulating. So ensure that you get your hand mixer. This is mine, very beautiful. So I use it most times when I want to make my body scrub, like sugar scrub, um coconut scrub and all of that. So this is what I use for it. It's a very good hand mixer. You can get them anywhere in the market. They are very cheap. You can get them as you start your formulation. All right, so the other equipment that is also very important in formulating is you need to have your mold. Yes, your mold is what you use to put your soap. When you start making your formulation, you need to get a mold where you pour in your formulation, so your soap can form can take shape. So it depends on the kind of mold you want to use. This is mine, very beautiful. It comes out very lovely anytime I use it to formulate my own body soap. So you also need to have that as well. All right, so another thing that you need to have if you are starting up as a skincare formulator is what I call sieve. It's Sieve. I'm going to show you right now. Okay, yeah, this is it. I use it to sieve out when I'm trying to get out oils and all of that. Maybe if you just want to extract your oil, you want to make your carrot oil and all of that, so you need something, you need this sieve to help you extract your oil properly, depending on what I want to do anyway. Yeah, so it depends on what you also want to do. And another very important, very important thing that you need to do, you need to have, is your baker. Baker is so very important. We have different kinds of bakers. We have the plastic and we have the glass. So the glass is used when you want to heat up your um heat phase. So you want to heat it up, so you use your glass baker, and then you can also use your plastic baker if you want to do a cool down phase in your formulation. Okay, so it's highly important that you get your baker. becker is very important. You can have the two for yourself, the plastic and the glass. Okay, so yeah, you can use them. Whichever one you're using, you know where to use, when to use them, and how to use them. All right, so these are basically what you will need if you want to start up your skincare formulation. These are basically what you need. So a bonus that I also have, but I use them, is my sealing machine. I use it to seal my products, yeah. So it depends. When you are growing gradually, you can start getting all of that, but this particular one, this sealing machine, isn't that important for now. It's just me adding my own plus to what I'm doing. So guys, yes, these are all what you need if you want to start up your skincare formulation. In my next series, we will be talking about sanitization, how we're going to keep your equipment clean, how to sanitize your environment, because if you're working on skin formulation, your environment needs to be essentially clean and your equipment clean, because you are working on the skin and our skins are very sensitive. So guys, thank you for watching. In case you find this video very informative, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on my Instagram and my Twitter. It's all Bglowskincare Naturals, and don't forget, you are amazing. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.